In this video I'm going to show you how to make a full page screenshot on your iPhone. That is quite simple and easy to do, so let's begin. And all you have to do to make a screenshot is to press power button and volume up button at the same time and then click on that screenshot. And now there you can switch between screenshot of just one screen or screenshot of your full page. Just hit on full page here and now you can scroll down and see that iPhone have just made screenshot of the whole page. Now you can edit that screenshot if you want. You can use pen, highlighter, eraser and some different tools here, and when you're done you can hit on done and there select save PDF to files. It will be PDF file, so I'll hit on save PDF to files, and now I can select where to save. I'll save it to downloads and then hit save. So now I can go ahead and open up files, downloads folder, scroll down for a bit, and here it is, the screenshot that I have just made. I can look at that, and basically that's it. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like and subscribe.